Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to work out a missing length using the cosine rule. Now, just as a recap, we use the cosine rule when we've got a triangle that's not got a right angle in it, and we don't have a side given to us and its opposite angle. In this case, we've got an angle given to us, but we don't have its corresponding side, hence why we need to use the cosine rule. Now, the length we're trying to work out, I'm going to label A, and the angle opposite that I'm going to label capital A. B and C can be either 9 or 11, it doesn't make any difference. So I'm going to call this one B and this one C, and then it's simply a case of substituting those values into the formula. So A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 lots of BC cos the angle opposite the side I'm trying to work out, in this case 62 degrees. Now type that into your calculator exactly as I've written it here. So we've got 11 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 lots of 11 times 9 cos 62. Remembering to close the brackets whenever you press sine, cos or tan. If I press equals, that gives me an answer of x squared equals 109.04 and so on. Now to get x, I'm just going to do the square root of that answer. So I'm just going to do square root of my answer, which gives me a value of 10.4 meters, and I'm going to round that one because it's my final answer to 1 decimal place. Hope that helps.